What if Bitcoin has a fixed supply? What happens when it runs out? Does the network just shut down? Do miners disappear? Does Bitcoin end? The short answer is a reassuring no. Bitcoin does not stop, it does not break, and it does not need new coins to survive. It was designed not just for today, but for over a century into the future. Around the year 2140, all Bitcoin will be mined. No new coins will be created, the supply stays capped, but the network keeps running, and miners get paid by transaction fees instead of new coins. Nothing runs out or switches off. The system simply transitions into its final steady state. This isn't a sudden crisis. Bitcoin doesn't hit a cliff edge in 2140. The creation of new coins slows down every 4 years in an event called the halving. It's a gradual glide path, giving the system over 100 years to adapt. See, today, miners are paid in two ways: the block subsidy, which is new Bitcoin, and transaction fees paid by users. At first, the subsidy is the main reward. Over time, as the subsidy shrinks, fees grow in importance until they become the entire reward. This transition is gradual and intentional. The common fear is, why would anyone keep mining without new coins? Because people still want to use Bitcoin. Block space is scarce and transactions have value. Think of it like a secure highway with limited lanes. You pay a toll to use it, and that toll funds security. This isn't hypothetical. During periods of high demand right now, fees already make up a significant part of miner revenue. But won't high fees make Bitcoin unusable? Not exactly. Bitcoin uses layers. The base layer becomes the ultimate settlement network for high-value transactions, like sending gold bars. Faster second layers are used for everyday spending, like buying coffee with extremely low fees. So the myth is Bitcoin ends. The reality is the supply stops, not the network. Fees replace subsidies. Bitcoin was built so security doesn't depend on endless printing. It's paid for by the users who benefit. It was built to outlive mining.